Hello guys, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you some important kicks that are really helpful for our self-defense, and these kicks are very much important for any critical situation. So let's see the video. So today's first technique is back kick, and this kick is very much easy. And see this kick in fighting position, then lift your leg, then turn your back and see your backside, then kick. Okay, again see, one count, lift, see your back, then kick. Okay, then again see, one. Okay, and in another leg see, in fighting position, first lift, see your back, then kick. Okay, and again see, in fighting position, one. Okay, and this kick is very much easy, and it is also very much critical kick, and this is very much easy. I think there is no much complications, so all of you can see this technique, and you can do this technique on your enemy, and it will really harm your enemy, and your enemy will be harmed by this kick. And the second technique is back turning kick, and this kick is also very much simple like the first one. And see this kick in fighting position, first turn 360 degree and then kick. Okay, again see, lift your leg, then turn, then kick. Again see, one. Okay, and in another leg see, first turn, then lift, then kick. Okay, and now one. Okay, and there is not this is not a very critical kick, so all of you can do this kick very easily, and this is very much deadly kick, and all of you can do this kick on any enemy, and this will really protect you from your enemy, and there is nothing to tell about this kick, and all of you should do this kick in fighting position, it will be better. Okay, and so there is no more to talk about this technique. So now the next technique, so back kick, and this kick on the enemy's face, and see here in fighting position, then one on the enemy's face, see again. Okay, and you need to do this kick by the heel of your leg and on the enemy's face, and see again here in fighting position, then down, then kick. Okay, and also see in this leg and another leg, see here in fighting position, then kick on the enemy's face. Okay, and I think this kick is not very much complicated, but for this technique you need to practice stretching, and yes, this kick is also very much important, and these are very much deadly kick, and if you do this kick, then you don't need to give very much effort, because it's very much deadly for enemy to that much, and if you give some effort, then it is okay, not bad. And I think this kick is very much good for any critical situation, so there is nothing much. So now the next technique, so now the fourth technique of today's is front face side kick, and I think you can tell this kick side kick, and see this kick, and in fighting position, all the kick which I have done, all that are in back side, and it is the first to your front side, and see this technique, and see, one count, first lift your leg, then kick on the enemy's face. Okay, and see again, one. Okay, and in another leg see, in fighting position, then first lift, then kick. Okay, again see, one count, Okay, and here's this kick is little bit hard. That is, you need to practice stretching for this technique, and otherwise the kick is not much good for you. And I think this kick is very much deadly, like the other ones which I have seen. And again, see this technique. You need to do this technique on the enemy's face, and you need to do a side kick. You can see one count, and there is no more to talk about this technique. So now the next technique. Let's see what we have done from the starting. At first we have done in fighting position, then back kick in this leg and in another leg. Yeah, back kick. You can see. Yeah. Now in another leg. And it is a fast technique. And now the second technique we have done today, that is back side kick on the face. That is face side kick, and you can say this back face side kick. And see here, and then in another leg. Again, see one, one. Okay, and now you can see one and two. And this is the today's second technique. And now the third technique of today we have done, that is front face side kick. That is one. Again, see, and in another leg, one. Again, see, and this is today's third technique. And now the fourth technique we have done, that is back turning side kick. See, again, see, and in another leg, again, see. These are all the today's technique, and you can do this all technique by combining them with one another, with each other. That you can do the turning kick with the back face side kick. That is, you can do this by hand in fighting position. Then it is by combining the turning kick and the back side kick. And again, see, from another leg, here one. Okay, and like this you can combining all the kicks with one another and making a new technique. And these are all the today's technique. Yes, there is nothing much to tell about this technique, all the technique which I have done. And so today this much. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.